Do you find yourself being more mature than others in particular situations? Well, you might think that maturity has something to do with age. The more older the person is, the more mature the person is, but that is completely a lie. In psychology, maturity is a person's ability to respond to a situation in an appropriate way. So, if I relate to this science, it shows that you're more mature than others. So, let's see if you are more mature than others. First, you take time seriously. You respect time and put it to efficient use. And not only that, you allot an alarm to do everything. Perhaps you have a meeting to go and you arrive to that meeting 2 minutes early. It shows that you not only respect your time but also respect everyone else's time, which is really important and which is also something which I like or appreciate in a person. And seriously, people in my life need to start doing that. Anyways, you also understand that you have to make some time for your hobbies and interests. The second one, you embrace your responsibilities. A lot of people think that responsibilities come with age, but that's seriously not the truth. Responsibility actually comes with experience. So, if you take your responsibility seriously, it shows that you're way more mature than others. And also, for example, you take importance to doing your daily tasks before resting. So, it shows that you're responsible, just like me. I'm joking, I'm not responsible at all. You have no expectations of others. Having no expectations in others really makes your life better and you understand it. And it is one of the main points which makes you mature. And it is also one of the main points which made my life better. I have stopped expecting things from others and it has made my life so much better because whatever happens just happens and it doesn't matter. Every single time you expect something from a person, you end up getting hurt. And every single time you forgive a person, you also end up getting hurt. So don't have any expectations on them. Don't get hurt. It's just one of the most important lessons of life. It teaches you a lot. Because not expecting makes their life better and our life better. It gives us a better understanding, a better relationship, a better life. And it just makes your life so much happier and easier. I mean, even if you expect something from others, you should be the first one to take action. And also should understand that whatever happens, just happens. Life goes on. You meet people and you lose people. And at the end of the day, you yourself are the only person who's going to stay with yourself forever. And you have to respect that. Yourself, your shadow, your body, your face, your voice is the only thing which is going to stay with you forever. No one else. No one else. Not any friend, not any partner, not the person you love the most. No one. You yourself alone have to survive the cold winter. You yourself have to survive the hot and dreadful summer. And you yourself also has to enjoy the spring. Alone. That's how life works. No one comes to you. And even if they come to you, they eventually leave. So don't have any expectations on life. Yourself. Have expectations on yourself. Not anyone else. Not on life. Because life breaks you really hard. Life hits you so damn hard. And you have to survive it. You can't just end up losing. You have to survive. And having expectations just makes it worst. It made my life worst. It will make your life worst. Just don't expect anything. And don't do anything. Just live your life in the most selfish way. It's alright, be selfish. It's alright to be selfish. When will people understand that it's alright to be selfish? Think for yourself. because at the end of the day, not one goddamn person is going to be with you except yourself. So be goddamn selfish. Never lose yourself. Never. I mean, never. Focus on your self improvement. Focus on what matters to you. Focus on your goals. Focus on yourself. And have no expectations. It will make life so much better. And that's it for today's video. If you do like this, please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon, and take care and stay safe.